setup is stupid. Look at all these fights, bro. These are art. This is art, bro. Right?
I left my phone in my car. Fucking vipers and shit, bro.
I was back with another video, man. Y'all see the whip? It's hella dirty, not gonna lie. But before we start the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, follow the gram, do all that. But yes, dude, this car is hella dirty from the trip. Look at this. You see all these marks? I don't know if I could tell, but this shit hella dirty. Anyways, damn, bro. Hey, before I really start this video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel once again. And follow the gram once again. Vandalize G, JoJo Cars. Subscribe, follow. You have to follow. You have to subscribe to even be a part of this giveaway. This is the exhaust giveaway. I have to hit 3,000 before I even attempt to give the exhaust away or give out any of the details to the exhaust giveaway. So if you are here for the exhaust giveaway and you guys keep asking about the damn exhaust giveaway, I have to hit 3,000 first to give details, so make sure you guys subscribe and follow. But today we are doing these side skirts that are kind of bogus, so I will be kind of like, you know, cleaning them up a little bit. You guys see all that shit? So I literally paid like 40 bucks for them, so I'm not really tripping too much, and I know I could clean them up. And it's like a decent brand. I honestly feel like I could have probably just made this myself, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to take this inside and clean them up a little bit. Take all the screws out and rebend the plastic and all that. But I'll show you guys that afterwards. That's kind of like a easy thing and something that's more on like my part that I should do. Something that you guys wouldn't have to do if you guys about that new. So just stay in tune to everything that happens. Make sure you guys subscribe. You guys see me in the window. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and do all that. Stay in tune to what I do. I'll probably show you guys little updates. I'm probably going to also cut this because I don't want to have to take this off. So I want it to just fit under there. And I'm going to have to cut this a little bit because of that. I'm going to show you guys how it is under there real quick. Like, you guys see all that? So I'm going to just have to clean all this shit up. So stay in tune. See how it comes up like all the way up here. I'm probably gonna try to chop it like right here so that it just sticks out like, you know, up to here, all the way back here. So I don't want it to like be in the wheel space, so obviously line up right here. And yeah, so it's gonna get cut like maybe right here, maybe a little bit more just cause, but yeah, I don't want to be touching that thing. That's about it. So I'll be doing that and cleaning these up. So just stay in tune to what you see. What you see is what you get. It's fairly easy, I bet, and fairly simple. Just drilling some holes up, and I just have to clean this shit up. So I'll be back. Alright, as you guys remember, I said I was gonna cut these, and yeah, so I had this big ass streak on there because previous owner, and that shit looks ugly. So I decided to just chop it out like halfway. I kind of regret it now. But I guess I'm going to just put these on just for the meanwhile. And just call it a day. Fuck them up during the winter. And make my own next time. Because these are nothing but cheap ass plastic really. So yeah, so I don't know if y'all could tell, but like right here, like it's like really fucked up. It was scraped and it was like literally from like right here to right here, and it was just scraped and all fucked up and not straight. So I have to just cut them. So I'm gonna just bolt them up like this. Hopefully it just looks decent, like a side skirt or some shit, but it's gonna look okay But yeah, let me just put those up. I'll probably just time lapse me putting them up. Kind of sucks. I'm kind of upset about it now, but it's whatever. It is what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna just time lapse it and just stay in tune to everything. I'm gonna start my car, time lapse it, do all that. So make sure y'all stay in tune to the end of this. It should be a short video because all I'm really gonna do is lift this car up and put this under. So stay in tune. Alright, so as this kind of looks, got the Aero blitz, oh shit, so got that setup going on in the back over here. I'm tweaking, there we go. So I'm show a different, I guess that's how it looks and how it stops. I guess it's basically just for that, so it doesn't really look too crazy. And my tire was flat, but we're getting new tires anyway, so it doesn't matter. I guess it looks decent though, like low key. I'm about to put it down and we're gonna check all that, so stay tuned for that. I'm about to put the other side on. I'm gonna time lapse that. I only used 3 screws and it's like low key up there and stuck there, so like it's like not much wind that should be able to take that off, so cool. So yeah. There we go. See, like I'm still upset about this fucking corner, so I'm gonna just clean it up and cut it. Like this corner is so fucking ugly, bro. Like damn, dude. Hold on, let me put that down. There we go. It's so fucking ugly. Pisses me off. I'm gonna just clean this up later, but that's what we're gonna have to fucking deal with, I guess. Let me do the other side and be done. Alright, so that is up there and stuck there. Look at this. So that should be stuck there. Aero blitz. Hold on, let me step back. Look at that. It looked decent, low key. So I'm not really tripping too crazy. So yeah, gives a nice little poke to it, I guess you could say. This side looks way better than the other side, but it is what it is. Alright, now you guys gonna get a cold start. Stay tuned for that.